Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our Slow English Listening channel. Today, we are going to talk about my hometown. Please relax. Listen carefully and repeat after the speaker. This lesson will help you improve your listening, your speaking, and your pronunciation. Now, let us begin. My hometown is a quiet and beautiful place. It is not very big, but it is full of life. Every morning, the streets slowly become busy. People open their small shops early in the morning. Some people walk to work, and some ride motorcycles. The air in my hometown feels fresh and clean. In the morning, I can hear birds singing outside my window. The weather is usually calm and pleasant. There are many trees, small markets, and friendly people. Everyone knows each other. When people meet, they smile and say hello. Near my house, there is a small bakery. Every morning, the smell of fresh bread fills the street. Many people stop there for breakfast and tea. I really love the mornings in my hometown. The sky looks soft and beautiful. The sunlight slowly touches the mountains. Everything feels peaceful and comfortable. My hometown also has a busy market. People buy fruits, vegetables, clothes, and many other things there. The market becomes crowded in the evening. Children laugh and play together after school. Some children play cricket in open fields. Others ride bicycles with their friends. When I walk through my hometown, I feel relaxed and happy. It gives me a feeling of comfort. There is a river not far from the town. The water is cool and clear. Many families visit the river during summer evenings. Sometimes, people sit near the river, drink tea, and enjoy the cool wind. My hometown is not modern like a big city. There are not many tall buildings, but it has something special. It has warmth. It has kindness. It has beautiful memories. I remember walking with my friends in the evening. We talked, laughed, and enjoyed simple moments together. Sometimes we bought cold juice from small shops. Sometimes we sat quietly and watched people passing by. Life in my hometown is simple. People work hard every day. Families spend time together. Neighbors help each other. During festivals, the streets become colorful and bright. Children wear beautiful clothes. Families cook delicious food at home. Life in my hometown is simple. People work hard every day. Families spend time together. Neighbors help each other. During festivals, the streets become colorful and bright. Children wear beautiful clothes. Families cook delicious food at home. The smell of traditional food fills the air. People visit relatives and friends. Everyone looks happy and excited. At night, the town becomes calm again. The streets grow quieter. Cool air moves through the town slowly. I enjoy standing outside at night. The sky looks full of stars. Everything feels peaceful. No matter where I go in life, I will always remember my hometown. A hometown is not just a place. It is a feeling inside the heart. It is the place where we grow up, the place where we make memories, the place where we feel safe and loved. Sometimes people leave their hometown for work or study, but deep inside, they still miss it. They miss the streets. They miss the people. They miss the food and the peaceful environment. I also feel emotional when I think about my hometown. It is a very important part of my life. Every corner of my hometown tells a story. Every street holds memories from childhood. I remember rainy days, warm afternoons, and beautiful sunsets. I remember visiting the market with my family. I remember drinking tea with friends. I remember smiling without stress or worry. Those memories are very special to me. Now, let us learn some useful vocabulary. Hometown. A place where you grow up. Peaceful. Quiet and calm. Market. A place where people buy and sell things. Friendly. Kind and welcoming. Memory. Something you remember from the past. Now, repeat after me. My hometown is beautiful. My hometown is peaceful. The people are friendly. I love my hometown. The mornings are calm. The evenings are beautiful. Very good. Now, continue listening carefully. In my hometown, people enjoy simple things. They enjoy talking with family. They enjoy sitting together in the evening. They enjoy helping neighbors and friends. Life there is slower, but happier. Big cities are often noisy and stressful, but my hometown feels relaxed and comfortable. Very good. Now, continue listening carefully. In my hometown, people enjoy simple things. They enjoy talking with family. They enjoy sitting together in the evening. They enjoy helping neighbors and friends. Life there is slower, but happier. Big cities are often noisy and stressful, but my hometown feels relaxed and comfortable. Life there is slower, but happier. Big cities are often noisy and stressful, but my hometown feels relaxed and comfortable. That is why I always feel happy when I return home. Sometimes I close my eyes and think about my hometown. I can almost hear the sounds of the streets again. I can imagine the cool evening air. I can remember the happy faces of people around me. These memories make me smile. When I was a child, I spent most of my time outside with my friends. We played games in the streets, ran through open fields, and laughed together every day. Life felt simple and beautiful. In the afternoon, the streets became full of children playing cricket. Some children flew kites in the sky. Others rode bicycles around the neighborhood. Parents sat outside their homes, talking with neighbors and drinking tea together. Everyone knew each other. People cared for one another like family. That is one thing I truly love about my hometown. The people are warm, kind, and welcoming. When guests visit, people greet them with smiles and respect. Hospitality is an important part of our culture. Visitors are often offered tea, food, and kind words. Even small moments feel special in my hometown. Sometimes I wake up early in the morning just to enjoy the peaceful atmosphere. The cool air touches my face softly. Birds sing from the trees nearby. The streets are quiet and calm. It feels relaxing and refreshing. Near my hometown, There are green fields and beautiful mountains. The view looks amazing during sunrise. The sky slowly changes colors. Everything shines under the morning sunlight. Many people in my hometown work very hard. Some people run small businesses. Some work in shops and markets. Others work on farms. Even though life is not always easy, people continue smiling and helping each other. This teaches an important lesson about life. Happiness does not always come from money. Sometimes happiness comes from peace, family, and simple moments. During the evening, the market becomes busy and colorful. Shopkeepers stand outside their stores. Fresh fruits and vegetables fill the market. People walk slowly through the streets, buying things for their homes. Children ask their parents for snacks and sweets. Friends stop to talk with each other. The smell of fresh food fills the air. One of my favorite things in my hometown is the local food. The food tastes fresh and delicious. Many traditional dishes are made with love and care. Small restaurants stay busy in the evening. Families sit together and enjoy meals. Tea shops are also very popular. People spend hours talking and laughing there. Sometimes, old friends meet after many years. They sit together, remember old memories, and smile. These moments make the hometown feel alive. In big cities, people are often busy all the time. But in my hometown, life moves more slowly. People still make time for family and friends. That is why I feel comfortable there. During rainy days, my hometown looks even more beautiful. Rain falls softly on the streets. The weather becomes cool and pleasant. Children enjoy playing in the rain. Some people stand outside their homes and watch the clouds. The smell of wet earth fills the air. Everything feels fresh and peaceful. I also love the nights in my hometown. The streets become quieter. The air becomes cooler. The sky looks dark and full of stars. Sometimes I sit outside quietly and think about life. Those peaceful nights help me relax. My hometown may not be famous around the world, but for me, it is very special. I also love the nights in my hometown. The streets become quieter, the air becomes cooler, the sky looks dark and full of stars. Sometimes I sit outside quietly and think about life. Those peaceful nights help me relax. My hometown may not be famous around the world, but for me, it is very special. The familiar streets, the friendly people, and the peaceful environment make me feel safe. Sometimes people do not realize the value of their hometown until they leave it. When they move away, they begin to miss the small things. They miss the sound of the streets. They miss the local food. They miss their friends and neighbors. Most of all, they miss the feeling of home. Home is not only a building. Home is where people love and understand you. That is why a hometown is so important. Now, let us practice some useful sentences. Repeat after me slowly. My hometown is peaceful. The people are kind and friendly. I enjoy the calm environment. The food is delicious. The streets are full of memories. I love my hometown very much. Very good. Now continue listening. Every hometown has a story. Every street holds memories. Every person carries emotions connected to home. Some memories are happy. Some memories are emotional. But all of them are important. When I think about my hometown, I remember childhood laughter, family gatherings, beautiful evenings, and peaceful mornings. Those memories will stay with me forever. I feel thankful for my hometown. It helped shape my life and personality. It taught me how to respect people. It taught me how to stay humble. And it taught me how to enjoy simple happiness. Thank you for listening to this lesson today. I hope this slow English listening practice helps improve your English skills.
Remember, the more you listen, the more you understand. Keep practicing every day. Speak slowly and clearly, and never lose confidence. See you in the next episode.